Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel ACBA Designs. On our previous tutorials, I taught you how to make an off-shoulder mini dress, and on these tutorials, I'm about to show you how to make the ruffles to be attached to the dress. Okay, stay connected as we get started. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. Like and comment as well, and then share to friends as well. Great. These are the materials I'll be needing for my ruffles. My lining pieces, my 2 yards of organza, my ruler, my scissors, tailor's chalk, and then ruler. Okay, so we are first of all going to work on the organza. Okay, so I'll be measuring 10 inches along the lines, 10 inches each. So 10 inches here, 10 inches here. So I'll be marking 10 inches along the selvage. Okay, so after marking my 10 inches along the selvage, this is what I'll be having. I'll then tear it on each 10 inches marked. So I'll use my scissors to cut a little and then tear it through. Great. So we are going to tear each 10 inches marked. Okay, so this is it after tearing everything. I'll then go ahead and join each together. So I'll pick one and pick another one. I'll join it this way. After joining, I'll hold the other side and join another one. So I'll be joining all the 10 inches cut out. Okay, so this is what I'll be having after joining all the pieces together. This is it. So this is the first joint, the second joint. So this is it. I joined everything together. At this stage, the next thing to do is to fold it into two this way, making sure the right side face each other. You fold it into two this way. You go ahead and stitch from this side to this side and all along the selvage. Okay, you're going to stitch it half an inch. Okay, so half an inch from this side to this end and then all along the selvage, leaving that end opened. You're not going to seal it like how we did from the first start. Okay, so after stitching, this is what you'll be having. You then go ahead and then turn it to the right side. Okay, so after turning organza to the right side, you then work on our lining pieces. This is going to serve as a support where we are going to stitch our organza or our ruffles on. Okay, you measure the hem of the dress all around, and I add 41 inches including the zip allowance. Okay, so 41 inches long. So from this end going 41 inches long, and then the width is 11.5 inches. It was supposed to be 12 inches, but I made a shortage, so 11.5 inches. It's fine. I will then mark 1 inch at the top part for seam allowance, and then 1 inch at the down for finishing. Okay, the interval is going to be 2 inches interval. So I'm going to mark 2 inches. Okay, so this is it. I'll be marking the same 2 inches in the middle so that I can connect with my ruler. So 1 inch at the top part, 2 inches interval. Okay. So this is what I'll be having after marking my points, my 2 inches interval, and then connecting them with my ruler. Okay. So you will therefore this organza. You're then going to stitch on the lines marked. Okay. For the line marked on it. No, you start from this side rather. The first line. And then you our set pleats. Okay, so we are going to have our inverted pleat this way. You are stitching along the line. This is what you'll be doing on the line till the end. But please make sure you are sewing in the middle of the organza. So you'll be placing the middle of the organza onto the line, then you pleat along. Okay, so this is what you'll be having after pleating along the line. It's an inverted pleat. So this is it. You then go ahead and pleat on the second line as well. Okay, but with the second line, you are going to leave all this space and then this interval. That is where we are going to invert. We are going to pleat our inverted pleat here. Okay. So we leave this space, then we come to the middle here, and then we pleat here. We leave this space, we come to the middle here, then we pleat. So we place the middle on the line this way. Okay, so we pleat in the middle or the interval this way. Okay, we skip, then we come to this side and then we pleat in the middle. Okay, so we'll be repeating this until we are done on the second line. So this is it after pleating along the lines. You then go ahead and join it to the down part of the dress. So we are joining the ruffles to the main dress. Okay, so after I start attaching the ruffles to our dress, this is what you'll be having. We will then go ahead and then fix our zip. Then our dress is ready. So be fixing the zip this way. You then go ahead and join this side. You join this side and then we measure from the back part to maybe the hip side or just below the hip side for our zip allowance, and then stitch along the side to the end. Yes, so after joining the back side and then fixing our zip, this is what you'll be having. Yes, the zip is neatly fixed. Okay, so this is all for the video. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. And if you are done watching the video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section. Please share to friends as well. See you all in our next video. Bye.